Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you would like to set a passcode lock for your Telegram application and you are wondering how to do so, in today's video, we will be guiding you through the process. So let's just get started. You can start by opening up the Telegram application on your device for that. And once you open up Telegram app on your device, you can look out for the menu icon, the hamburger icon in the top left corner of your screen and open it up. Now that you have opened it up, you can go to the settings option from here and go ahead and tap on it. And then once you access the settings option, you need to go to the privacy and security from the settings menu available. After you select the privacy and settings from the settings menu available, you can select the option for passcode lock from the given options. You can directly find it on the third option under the security tab. So go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can just go ahead with the process of setting it up. So you can tap on this option called enable passcode. And once you do so, you can just go ahead and choose your desired passcode, a 4-digit PIN or a longer password. For example, this is the passcode I would like to do. So once you enter it up, you need to re-enter the passcode to confirm it up. And once you do so, the passcode has been turned on now. You can re-enter the passcode to confirm it up, and you can set up an auto lock as well and enable Touch ID or Face ID for quick unlocking on iOS devices. But if you'd like to set up a passcode, it is pretty easy. If you want to unlock it, once you reach over here, you can tap on, if you want to turn it off, you can tap on turn off passcode. And once you confirm it up, you can turn it off. And that way you can turn on, set a passcode lock for your Telegram application, and even unset it. So that is it, everybody. You can follow up this process for that. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.